Hey guys, so first of all, this is not a clickbait. Higgsfield is offering unlimited access to all of their top tier models completely for free for the next 24 hours. So make sure you take advantage of this because I don't think this is going to come back again. So in this video, I'm going to actually walk you through step by step to the sign up process so that way you don't mess anything up. Okay. And then I'm going to show you also the video models, the image models, and everything else that you have access to for the next 24 hours when you sign up for an account. All right, let's jump right in. So as you can see right here in their main page, they're mentioning that all of the top models unlimited free, but for only 1 day. So again, I want to make sure that you take advantage of this and don't wait because this offer looks like it's only available for the next 1 day and 19 hours, or by the time this video is released, probably like 1 day and like 15 hours or something like that. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you step by step how to sign up for an account so that way you can take advantage of this, and then we can actually test this out to make sure that this is actually free and we're not getting charged anything like that. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is click on the link in the description, and once you come here, you're going to go ahead and click on sign up on the top right hand corner. By the way, this is only valid for people who are new, right? So if you have an account already, I don't think this is going to work for you, but this is for new account holders or people who are signing up for the first time. So again, click on the link in the description, go to the sign up page right here. I'm going to use Google, but feel free to use whatever you want as far as sign up. I mean, if you just want to use your email, that's fine too. So I'm going to click on continue with Google, and I'm actually going to sign up with this email because the other accounts already have, or the other emails I already have an account with. So I'm going to go ahead and continue. All right, let's see. Yep, verify. Okay, perfect. So now it's just going to ask you a couple of questions. How do you plan to use Higgsfield? I'm just going to say for personal use. What do you want to achieve with Higgsfield? Let's say I'm just going to say I'm just exploring. How experienced are you with AI? Let's say beginner. Which Higgsfield flagship studio do you want to try? Marketing studio. So Higgsfield features image editing. Let's say image generation, video generation. Continue. YouTube. Okay. Which AI frustration do you want Higgsfield to handle? I'm just saying I'm just new to this. Yeah, that's fine. I'm going to continue. Congratulations. But that's fine. You can get rid of it. You don't have to sign up for the discount. This is something else. And you can cross this out too. And now it looks like we're signed up, right? All right. So it says right there on top, it says free plan, 10 credits. Okay. So now we can just go to the main page here. Yep. It looks like we're properly logged in. And then we're going to go to the pricing section. Okay. So then right here in the center, it says try all top models unlimited for $0. Special 1 day free trial offer. Okay. So then you're going to click on get free trial for $0. That first steps was just signing up for an account. So that's why we had to go through that because otherwise we wouldn't be able to take advantage of this. Okay. So here it is. So once you come here, obviously you have to put your credit card in because it's a free trial for 1 day, but that's fine. You can cancel it right away. So just go ahead and put your credit card here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put mine. And then I'm going to click on start trial. All right, great. So once you put your credit card information and click on start trial, start the free trial, now it's going to say 1 day unlimited free trial is now active. You have 1 day of unlimited generations on all top models. Your trial ends on July 22nd at 10:56 local time. Then auto renews at plus monthly with 7 day unlimited on all top models. So again, if you don't want to get charged, just make sure you cancel within 24 hours and then you'll be fine. But let's go ahead and now once this is, now we're signed up, let's go ahead and test this out. So I'm going to click on continue and let's see. Let me make sure that everything is good to go. Subscription, 1 day unlimited free trial active ends July. Okay, great. Okay, so if we click on the subscription here on the left hand side, you'll see these are all of the different models that you have access to completely for free, and they're all unlimited usage. It says you have access to 21 models right here. So Nano Banana Pro unlimited, Nano Banana 2 unlimited, right? GPT-2 image, Seedance 5.0. These are for all the image models. And then if we go to the next page, you'll see the video models that you have access to. So these are all of the video models you have access to. Kling V3 unlimited, Kling 3.0 on motion, Gemini OmniFlash Unlimited. So these are all of the different models you have access to. By the way, if you want to be sure, so you can head over to their X account and you'll see exactly which models you have access to for free. So that way you don't get confused. Because if you click on the wrong model, you're not going to be able to generate, with this trial free video. So you can see on the left-hand side, it says unlimited period, right? Free trial 1 day. You have Seedance 2.0, 720p, 8 seconds. Seedance 2.0 mini, 8 seconds. Kling 3.0, I mean, this is a very popular one, right? Very popular model, Kling 3.0. You have 8 seconds and 1080p. So let's go ahead and actually try Kling here. So I'm going to go back, click on my Higgsfield here. We're going to go to the top there, and then we're going to go ahead and click on Kling 3.0, right? Because it looks like this is something that we had access to for free. But as you can see on the left hand side here, in order for you to have access, you want to make sure that you're clicking on the right one, because right now it says generate and it's asking for 30 credits, which means this particular 4K is not available for free, just like I showed here, right? So Kling 3.0, 8 seconds and 1080p. So that's what we need to change. So if we go back now, if we click on 4K, changes to 1080p, there you go. So now unlimited mode gets activated and you can create up to 8 seconds. So until 8 seconds, you're fine to create. But as soon as you move on, you can see now it's asking you for more credits. So if we just say 8 seconds, there you go. Unlimited mode gets activated. So click on this and now you're good to go. Generate unlimited. So you can generate anything you want. So let me go ahead and now paste a prompt here. So I just said create a premium, let's not say 4K, cinematic commercial featuring one consistent fictional character as the face of luxury coffee brand. The character must remain the same person throughout the entire video, same face, blah, blah, blah. And we're just kind of giving them the scene. It's a luxury coffee studio. So let me just click on generate. And there you go. It worked. So it's actually truly free. Again, like I said, I forgot to change this to 916. Let me see if we have access to... Yeah, I think it should be fine as long as we create up to 8 seconds in 1080p. I don't think it identifies exactly whether you are using the 9:16 or the 16:9. Oh, actually, yeah, both of them are available. So let's go ahead and generate this first. Let's see if this works. In the meantime, let's try another model, right? So let's try Seedance 2.0 because that's another great model there. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this in a new tab. And this time we're going to make sure that we're selecting 720p. And it says right here, change to 8 seconds for unlimited. So it actually tells you exactly what to do. Okay, there you go. And now I'm just going to say unlimited mode. There you go. Perfect. So let's go ahead and say create a video of a cat and a mouse fighting with each other in a backyard, right? Again, it doesn't matter. I just want to make sure that it's working, right? Oh, it looks like the this one got generated. So, yep, this one got generated. So let's go ahead and actually, so it says unlimited free trial runs at a relaxed pace. You get the full experience with no comparisons on quality. Okay, that's great. Paid plans run several times faster on priority queue. I mean, that makes sense, but that's actually pretty quick, so it's not that bad. It only took like a minute or so. So let's go ahead and play this. Not bad. That's pretty good, actually, because we asked it to maintain the same character, right? And it actually did. Premium coffee brand. All right, that looks great. So that works, actually. Okay, so now let's try something different, right? So let's do this. Create a video of a cat and a mouse. And this time I said, yeah, we use Seedance 2.0, unlimited. We're good. All right, so let's go ahead and generate this. Perfect. That works too. So looks like the free trial is working properly as expected. And like I said, as far as the rest of the models, I mean, obviously the image models are all available for us too. So our OmniFlash is actually a video model. Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, Seedance 5.0 Pro, and GPT Image 2, high quality and 2K. So that's great. Now you can test all of this out. Like I said, I highly suggest going to their X account. So if you just go Higgsfield AI's X account, you'll see that all of the resources and instructions are right here, and you can click on this image here, or you can take a screenshot of this so that way you don't get confused there. So let's go ahead and go back. All right, so the video got generated. Let's go ahead and click on this. That's actually really good. I love the music and the sound effects. That is awesome. All right, cool. All right, so that was video models. Let's go ahead and try some of the image models. So it said that we have access to Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro. Let's try Nano Banana Pro because obviously that's one of the most popular brands out there in the market. So let's go to image this time, and we're gonna go to Nano Banana. Okay, so yep, this is the Nano Banana Pro. So there you go on the bottom, you can see. By the way, you can obviously change it from here as well if you want to select a different size or a different model. The size, we're going to keep it at 16:9. The quality up to 2K is allowed as far as on the unlimited size. And same thing, you want to make sure you're toggling this. And by the way, you can't, the batch size, you can only create one on the unlimited plan, I think. Otherwise, it won't work. Yep. So when you toggle unlimited, it means that you can only create one image at a time, which is fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on unlimited. Whoops, I forgot about a prompt. So let's go ahead and put a prompt. So I just said generate an image of a spaceship on the moon, right? Something simple. So I'm gonna click on unlimited, and there you go. So it looks like that's working too. Now, while this is generating, another thing is you also have access to audio models as well. So if we go to the bottom here, you'll see that you have access to audio, Seedance Audio 1.0, 11 Labs V3, Minimax Speech 2.8 HD, Vibe Voice, and Seed Speech. So in order to generate, again, if you're into generating audio, same thing, you just come over here and you can see all of the models that are available. So let's say you want to create something with 11 Labs V3. So you can just click on open a new window here. There you go, right? So it's very cool. You can select the different voices here, right? So
I'm Roxy. If you're looking for a sound that's equal parts heat and honey, you found it.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Hello, I'm Arthur. I specialize in...
All right, so anyways, you can select one of these, and same thing. If you click on unlimited, it means that you have access to this model itself, and you can generate voiceover, you can generate you can change your voice, right? And you can also do translation there, but for those you have to put in a reference video there. But I'm not sure if the change voice or translate will have access to, or you'll have access to, but again, feel free to try it out, why not? But looks like definitely the voiceover you have access to with the unlimited plan there as well. Okay, so let's go back and see what's going on with our generation. Where's our Nano Banana Pro? Oh, there you go. So it looks like it generated. So let me just click on this. Yeah, that looks pretty cool, right? Nice. So we got the Earth in the background there. We got a nice spaceship here. Our Artemis Base Camp Lunar Surface Habitat. Oh wow, it even created nice little tag on the side there, and then you got the person on here. So very, very well done, and the quality is definitely 2K for sure. So same thing, you can turn this into a video, right? So you can just put the reference image right there, and you make sure that you're selecting the proper model here. So Kling Unlimited, 8 seconds. You're just going to do unlimited mode, and you're just going to do, I'm just going to say something like create a moon landing of the attached spaceship. Let's see what this does, right? So you can see you can have a good time here. And there you go. Perfect. So feel free to test this out. Again, this is your opportunity to take advantage of this. I mean, honestly, Higgsfield is one of my favorite tools. So the fact that they're offering this is a really great opportunity for you guys to test out these different models that are hitting the market. I mean, the Seedance model is great. Kling is great. So the fact that you can use this completely for free, it's a great opportunity and a great way to take advantage of this, so that way you can test out all of these models. I think Seedance 2.5 is coming coming next in the market, which I'm going to create a bunch of videos on that, because Seedance 2.0 has been probably one of the best models in the market. As you can see, we generated this one. I mean, it generates native sound, it generates kind of motion in a really well manner, and then also kind of the character consistency that it has. It's really good. Same thing with Kling. Kling is also great. Kling 3.0 is a very good model as well. So you can see that these are usually the top models. So Seedance 2.0 4K, obviously this is a very expensive model, but honestly it's like really worth it if you're into 4K generations. But you know, Kling 3.0 is also really great. I mean, it always ends up kind of on the top right there. So a really good opportunity to take advantage of this. Also, I think Gemini OmniFlash is included. So if I go to, let's see here. Yeah, there you go. So you can create actually videos with Gemini OmniFlash up to 7 seconds. So if I go back, oops, get rid of this. So we can actually go to Gemini OmniFlash. Yeah, so it looks like, what was it? Oh, 7 seconds. So it says to change it to 7 seconds. To get unlimited. Perfect. There you go. So it looks like I can get up to 7 seconds of, you know, editing, or because that's one thing that OmniFlash is really good at, is editing existing videos. So you can take advantage of that. It's unlimited more. Perfect. So again, the way to make sure that what you're generating is free is honestly obviously just, you know, if you see in the bottom that it shows generate with a certain amount of tokens, it means that that's on the that's not included in your unlimited plan. And if you just click on unlimited mode, and when you see this unlimited right next to it, it just means that you can generate it for free for the next 24 hours. So let's go ahead and let this thing finish quickly. Okay, perfect. So it looks like it finished. Let's go ahead and check it out. Very cool. So it shows that, I mean, I don't know if maybe I didn't do the prompting right, but it looks like instead of, because I asked it to create a moon landing of the attached spaceship, maybe I didn't do a prompt. That's definitely a bad prompting for sure. But instead, it kind of made this motion of the person, the astronaut, kind of running around and walking around as the camera zooms in. But anyways, the whole point was for me to show you that you can actually generate these things unlimited. So especially including with like attaching a reference that we just did here. Okay, so go ahead and check it out. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. And if you're interested in learning more about AI automation in general, I have a free community here. Check out the link in the description. You guys can join in. I have a bunch of different prompt packs that you guys can use completely for free, including, you know, generating websites and, you know, creating AI assistants and AI employees, lots of stuff that's available for you guys for free. Link in that is going to be in the description. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.